Hello everyone, welcome to a new video update for Bitcoin price prediction. And today is a Sunday, a beautiful weekend. I hope that you all enjoy your weekend as well. As you can see, the price is moving a little bit today for a weekend. Of course, it's not something very not like very big, but yeah, as spoken yesterday, right, we were expecting already a wave a B towards the downside after seeing three waves A towards the upside, and this is exactly what happened. We said that this is a flat, right, because it has started with three waves of A, and then we are expecting three waves towards the downside. A wave B can unfold in several patterns, right? It can be a zigzag, it can be a regular flat, it can be also a very long zigzag, as you can see, and also it can unfold, of course, as at the end it can unfold even as expanding flat, right? However, the price did not exceed the start of the wave A, therefore so far until now we cannot consider this a expanding flat. It's a regular flat. So basically, if we have started to see some turnover towards the upside now, as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kind of like an impulse now on the 5 minute. Of course, it's a very small impulse, but that is an indication that this could be now a reversal for an A, B, and a C, or maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to finish this flat here, right? Because a wave C should finish in 5 waves. And this is a typical weekend range that's totally fine. And of course, we are still in a bearish environment. Of course, that we might see more selling in the next week. As we spoke yesterday in our deep analysis, we still have a lot of bearish scenario in comparison of bullish scenarios. However, the bullish scenarios can get higher in possibility. The more we go down, the more the bullish scenario gets higher in possibility. And and of course, I saw today some comments which are very bearish. And okay, it's nice to see, of course. However, being like totally bearish now, like, I mean, just selling everything, as I saw in the comment, would be also like not really a good advice, right? Because yeah, we still looking here for several supports first. So we need first to break the support and then to achieve one of these levels, right, which are made for wave 2. We need to get to this target first, and then also for the wave C in the 1.618, and of course achieving a wave 2 here. And then if the price breaks down more, then okay, we can say a bearish, if the bearish get more, even higher possibility to be in bigger bearish scenario. But don't forget here that you have a wave C or a wave 3, right, from this point. And this could be a turnover if the bulls, of course, appears in this point. If we break lower than this, then of course we can get to a wave B here for a flat, right? A bigger flat here, ABC, and then going again for a wave C towards the upside. So this is another bullish scenario, of course. And then, of course, after this, if we break it down even, then okay, we are totally bearish. We broke even under the lower low, which was supposed to be for a wave 4 in our impulse. If we break this and we get a lower low and we hit the 0.618, then that means, of course, we have invalidated our impulse towards the upside. And what I mean with this is this scenario, like when we go into the daily bearish scenario. As you can see here, I'm gonna remove this for more clarity, no need for it. So we have here a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, right? Our wave 4 is here, and if we reach these prices for a wave B, and then we already broke, we have already broke, of course, the lower low, and once we touch this level at 43,500, that means, yeah, the impulse has been invalidated. 1, 2, 3. There is no more 1, 2, 3. Then it's gonna be considered A, B, and a C. So far we are still short-term very bearish, right? We are short-term very bearish. Let's go back to the 1-hour chart scenario. In the 1-hour chart, we are expecting now, of course, a retracement towards the upside, hitting at least the 0.38 fib level at 60,560, right? And from there, we might continue, of course, towards the downside, yeah, in a wave A, B, C, right? A, B, and a C, of course, to reach those levels that we spoke about it in the scenario. So preferably that we, of course, retrace. Now, if we don't retrace so far, then of course that it could be something else. All right, it could be that we have already retraced here ABC, and then we are looking for a 1, 2, and then 1, 2 again, and then 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. We're gonna see this. However, a retracement now, a small retracement is required. Touching the 0.38 is preferably okay. Sometimes it can be only the 0.23, which means here, so that means it is a very, very bearish market, and that we gonna hit, of course, directly the wave 2 from there with impulsively, like a 1, 2, right? So this will be considered as 1, A, B, and C, and then moving down towards the downside again, to reach these targets, right? So this, in short, what is going on today. So expect a little bit higher prices, just to finish this correction, nothing major, right? Just a correction, a flat correction here, A and B and a C, right? So this is it. And yeah, trade safe, guys, and yeah, have a nice weekend, and see you tomorrow on Monday with a new video updates and so on. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.